Flexibility is key to Bluetail's document editing features. Users may want to edit one document or perform bulk actions like moving 10 documents from one category to another. Simply click the appropriate registry item located on the left side where you wish to edit documents. You then have the option of selecting the documents individually by checking the appropriate documents box as shown, or you may check the blue Select All box located on the right side of the app. This will select all the files for a bulk action. Available bulk actions are indicated by the icons on the right side of the app. Options include Share, Download, e-signature, Watermark, Archive, Edit, and Print. In this example, we will download the files to our desktop computer as a compressed zip file.